Hello, today I'm going to show you how to align your print head on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 printer. In this case, it's a 9012E model, and if we are going to align our print head for a better print result, we are going into the menu over here. We swipe upside down a little bit. Here we are. We swipe down and then we go to setup. Yeah! If we are at the setup process, we go down to printer maintenance. And here you can see align the print head. To get the best possible print quality from our printer, align the print head now. This process uses ink and one sheet of paper. So here we are, continue. This is really cool because now it is automatically printing the alignment page. That's really cool because the HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series is a multifunction device that brings your scanner system and a printer system in once. So the printer will use to align our print head a paper alignment page. This is really cool system, I think, because we are using the existing thing on our device. Here you can see this is the alignment page, and you can see some black and blue lines over here, and these lines are in one line with each other, of course. And the printer alignment page must scan by using our scan system over there. That's really cool. So how we perform this, we go a little bit up, we look and open the scanner over here. It does not open anymore, so I have to get a little bit the printer in front. Now it works. And here is an old sheet of paper. So what we are going to do is now we align this on the left upper edge and close the gate. So here we are again. Let's go to the screen again. We place the alignment page on the scanner glass and then we touch scan. Now the scanner scans the alignment page, and with this information, the device, the printer, can adjust and alignment our device or our print head. You can see job's done. That's really fast. The printer has been aligned successfully. The printer is now calibrated for the best possible print quality. We recycle or discard the alignment page. That's cool. Or we press OK and then we go back to the main menu. Of course, we have to remove the alignment page over here, and that it is how to align our print head on our HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 printer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.